You know what? It would be badass just going outside and smoking the cigarette.
Yeah.
Like, yep, yep. It's kind of chilly.
Dude, this is like a hint of like the power of the earth. Mm-hmm. Like, no, like really nowhere safe.
Like, don't fuck with me.
Damn. This is
my
like,
God.
I've never even seen anything like it. Seriously looks like those people like that record shit out in the Antarctic.
Yeah. They live this. Yeah. And dude, that's why I was telling you, like, the story about the guys of the Uruguay plane that crashed down and they survived like fucking 3 months.
Like in like the mountains, the Andes.
And they had to go from Argentina to Chile walking to find civilization and rescue the other ones. That's dude, insane. I was like, whoa.
Excuse me.
Oh, dude, I'll tape you. Go. It's gonna be epic. Whoa. Where can I leave the cigarette? Shit. I'm gonna put the cigarette here in a moment. Oh, they're gone. They're home. Look at this stuff. So cool. Oh my god.
Here's Jorge Nunez getting his ass kicked in the storm. Let's go back inside. Wait, go. Did you really? Damn, dude, I couldn't put it down like that.
What?
I don't know if I stopped it or I don't know if I...
2 minutes.